Hey everybody, Dondi Nut here, and I've got another unboxing for you. This is for March 2017 mini mystery box of awesome. And let's see what we got here. Alright, first off, we have earbags. Boundless ear warmers. Now this is something I haven't seen before. It's like earmuffs, but without the headband part. That's pretty cool. I'll totally wear those. They're like cable knit too. Let's open them up. Check them out. If I can get them open. Let's see. La, 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 la. Here we go. That's pretty cool. They're kind of a little hard, so they stay on your ears, I would think. And they're really soft on the inside. That's pretty neat. I kind of like those. Oh, what's this? Oh, I bet this is a case you could put them in. La, la, la. Got tape stuck to my finger. Here we go. Yeah, it sure is. It's a little drawstring bag. You can put your ear bags in. A bag for your ear bags. I like that. Of course, it's starting to get a little warm, but definitely be rocking those things next year. Or I stay cold all the time. I'll be using them this year. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. We got a ladybug nightlight. Oh, you can't have enough night lights. These things are perfect. For the kids, grandkids, and my daughter. Her name's Michelle, so I always call her my little Shelly bug. So I might even wind up giving this to her. Probably. I'll put that right there. Let's see what else we got in here. We got candy. Of course, mine came open, but I think it's just be alright. Heads, soft candy chews, bears. Ooh, this looks pretty good. 99% fat free, gluten free, vegetarian, gelatin free, natural and artificial flavored. You get grape with lemon plus strawberry ears, peach with raspberry and strawberry ears, cherry with blueberry and strawberry ears. Yeah, let's see what some of these look like. Oh, the grandkids are gonna love these. Ooh, they smell pretty good too. Yummy. I actually got one more thing in the bag this time. This is from The Big Bang Theory. Remember that song that Penny would sing to Sheldon? Soft kitty. Purr, purr, purr. This is a good size cup too. It looks to be about a 20-ounce cup, and it's got it written on both sides. And I actually got some lids with straws that would fit this. So that's pretty sweet. Cool beans. And of course you get all your paperwork. You got coupon for, what is it, the HelloFresh, I couldn't think. coupon, which anybody can use if you want to. Then you have, if you're a member, then you'll get this little scratch off that'll give you usually 5 or 10% off when you place an order with them. And I'm waiting on my big box of Awesome. It'll be the first time I've gotten it. It's around $25 a month. It's supposed to have been delivered last week. Then they changed my tracking. So it's supposed to be delivered by the end of this week or the beginning of next week. And in it, I will also get a free mini mystery box of Awesome for ordering. And also, they have got an Awesome box for dogs for $25. And I was thinking about getting that one. And when I went to the site to get that one, that's when I decided to get the regular big one. And they've got a mini box of Awesome for dogs now. So I did order that one. So I'm waiting for that one to come in as well. I haven't seen anybody do any videos on it, so I'm excited about it. I believe you get like 2 things in it. You get like a toy and a treat, if I'm not mistaken, for anybody that might be interested. And of course, this mini box of Awesome is around $10 a month. And it's just fun. You don't never know what you're going to get. And it's always worth it. Definitely worth it. And you just get some fun stuff. And it's a surprise each month, which is always fun. But I'll shut up and let you go. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.